Fantasia Entertainment presents the Holland Salsa Bachata Beach Festival. Do some crazy!
There's a pattern in the salsa songs, in the salsa music. It has an intro, it has a principal theme when the singer is giving us a principal message, and then it has a montuno part. The montuno, we have the chorus and improvisation, and it's coming from the jam sessions, okay? And also from folkloric music from Cuba, Africa, and from folkloric music from Spain, okay? So montuno part is when we have the chorus and improvisation, then we have a mambo section, and then we have chorus and improvisation again. So watch it, watch this. It's perfect. So that part, you see that? That's gonna be my intro, okay? And then this part, this is gonna be my principal theme when I'm gonna have the principal message, okay? And then that's gonna be the montuno part, and then that's gonna be the mambo section, and then the last one is gonna be the montuno part again. It makes sense?
Yes.
Now this is what happening here, and here the principal theme. Tell me one song, like the I don't know. Llorarás. Do you know that one?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Pam 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 pam. All I got is the principal theme. Okay, sorry, the intro.
Intro.
And then we have the principal theme. When the singer is telling us the message, right?
Sé que a ti te quiere, sé que tú no quieres que a ti te quiera. Siempre tú me esquivas de alguna manera. Si te busco por aquí, me sales por allá. Lo único que yo quiero, no me hagas sufrir más. Un
until we have the montuno. So I said, llorarás, llorarás, llorarás.
Llorarás.
Como lo sufrí yo. Porque tú llorarás. Y nadie te comprenderá. Todo lo malo que hiciste. Y mi mano pagará.
Llorarás, 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 llorarás. Me sufriste por ti. Ahora que ríes soy yo. Que no, que sí, que sí. Ay. Eso. Ay, eso.
And then, but in this song, there's no mambo section, so we have to switch, right? Okay.
Pájaro lindo de la madrugada, pájaro lindo de la madrugada,
El pájaro montuno,
pájaro lindo, zum zum, pájaro lindo, zum zum, pájaro lindo, zum zum,
no sé qué está pasando con usted.
pájaro lindo, zum zum.
Vamos al mambo a gozar. El pájaro lindo, zum zum,
Zum zum,
el pájaro lindo, caballero.
pájaro lindo, zum zum,
Ave María, qué calor.
pájaro lindo, zum zum,
De Colombia con todos ustedes aquí.
pájaro lindo, zum zum,
Ay, caballero, que me hace tanta
pájaro lindo, zum zum.
Okay?
Musicality.
So what happened in the principal theme? Then in this part, that's the moment when we use this intention. When we do this. Right? If we think in a romantic song, it's like yo quiero besar tu boca, lo anhelo con ansias locas, que quiero abrir tu alma y entrar en tu manantial de ganas.
Pararapapa.
Al suave que son tus labios, como plumas de un canario, tu pelo es como una espuma que brota rozar el aire que lo toca.
Pararapa.
Porque Dios hizo tan bella, eres una estrella, te amo demasiado,
Eres,
quiero a mi lado,
eres,
púrpura de mi amor,
eres.
alma de mi vida. The move and the body language is not like this. Right? So that's why since the beginning, to interpret it more, the principal theme and the message okay? And then when we go to the montuno part, because we have the cowbell, cowbell. And also, the timbal will be playing also a little cowbell. And also the conga from playing like this. It's gonna change. So the music is asking us for So the instruments are asking us for this, and also la combinación de sus EQs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 y regresamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 7 So it's asking us for all this footwork because there's so many rhythms, so many instruments playing at that time. And then when we go to the mambo section, as you notice it's patterns. It was like a 4 repetition of the same melody of the trumpets, right? Pájaro lindo, zum zum, vamos al mambo, param, parabaram, pam pam, param, parabaram, pam pam, param, parabaram, pam pam, param, parabaram, pam pam. Most of the time it's also like that. So hacemos suiza, vamos, derecha, izquierda, vuelta y las llevamos. So, param, parabaram, vamos al mambo, param, parabaram, pam pam, param, parabaram, pam pam, param, parabaram. Okay? So that's why when we do swing step and we do this and this, every time we go like this, it's giving us the action of the trumpet. Pam, param, pa, parabam, pam, pam, param, parabaram, pam, pam, pa. It makes sense?
Yes.
Then we have the other montuno. In the social, we can do partner work and also we can mix partner work with food work or whatever. So one time we know this structure, it's like having a GPS in a place that we don't know where we are. It makes sense?
Yes.
So it's very important to understand all this information because then we will understand the music in a better way. Yes?
Thank you very much.
So that's why I was telling you everything is functional. We were starting like this. Ram, tan, right? But also we can start like this. That's the way. And also we can do this. 1 and 3, 5, 7, 8 and 3, 5, 7, 1. But we can use the same. And I'm coming back to the wall. 6, 1, 5, 6. Yeah? So we do the combination. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna add this. 5, 6, 7. Into turn again. 3. And the same combination to the other side. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 to my left. 5, 6, 7, inside turn, 2, 3. And now I'm gonna use both hands, okay? 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Same step, same forward. 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3. I'm gonna add another right turn for me. Switch hands and then right turn for her. 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, and she goes 2, 3, 360 and 2, 3 and 5. Other side. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. She goes 2, 3. Inside turn right turn for me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 360 and I go over her arm 2, 3 and she goes
Eso. ¡Aplausos!